Battle of Hoth. What is this? Oh, look at this. Oh, I shouldn't have hit enter past the instructions. This is a joystick? No. Well. Hey, look, I killed that guy, I think. D, F, I, J, K, L, M. Yeah, these buttons do anything? I kind of wish I could have seen those instructions. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Does the button shoot? Yeah, okay. Button shoots. All right. Oh. So I wonder if this is kind of like Stampede. Or Tapper in a way, I suppose. I got it. Yeah, it's a little bit like Stampede, I guess. Hit any key. Boop. Boop. Hit a different any key. Okay. Now we got da 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 da. Now I got what's going on. So, and actually, if you, the only problem is you don't shoot right after you come up. Oh, I guess they're shooting the shit out of my base over there. I thought they were trying to reach the base, but no, they just seem to be shooting it repeatedly. Da 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 da. The song is copyrighted. Da 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 da. But if you could stay low enough, like by their feet, they only seem to shoot by where their feet is. This is stuff they don't teach you in the Empire class. Alright, look at that. That's not a bad game. If only we had Luke Skywalker somewhere to save us. Sorry, he's busy being on this glass of tea. Sorry, Luke. You know, for me, I think both in game design and hardware and whatever, it makes sense that, you know, we went from, in my family, we went from the TRS-80 to the Apple II and then graduated from there to, I went to the Commodore, my dad moved to the PC, but I could kind of see that in a lot of these games that they're better than what was on the TRS-80 Model 3, but they're not as good as, obviously not as good as what you would get on the Commodore.